Hey guys, another unboxing for you. Today we're doing the Click-6 harnesses from Polaris. We have both driver harnesses and passenger harnesses. So let's take a look at one. So if you don't know what a Click-6 harness is, these are basically a standard 2.0 harness, except for the fact that they feature a seatbelt-like retractable system, which makes, if you've ever been in a harness, living in your vehicle a little bit easier. So let's take a look here. We got some nuts and bolts. We have in the installation guide. We have our parts list and graphics for installation. We have our new seatbelt pass-through cover for the RZR. And then we have the harness. So let's take a look here. So it'd be something like that. Okay, so here you can see you have your seatbelt-like mechanism for plugging straight into a standard two-seater RZR. You just take your seatbelts out and these basically bolt right into factory positions. You have sewn-in pads, which are fairly dense. They have a good stiffness to them. There's no lining on them or anything for comfort. It's just the standard webbing. And then you have your chest strap, so you can ride with and without it. Most people ride without it for just trail riding, but if you're getting in the gnarly stuff, you definitely want to make sure you're not going to pop out in any way there. And then you have your Click-6 part. So you have a standard seatbelt trigger and click mechanism. Feels fairly robust. This is fairly larger than I thought it was. It's made by IMMI. I don't remember what that stands for off the top of my head, but it's a third-party company that they are outsourced to by Polaris. I'm pretty sure they have a patent on this as well. Oh, I didn't notice that. So if you look at the back of the chest strap, you'll notice that they have these plastic boxes here for the screws to go through, which I'm not sure how comfortable that will be over time. That might be something that we don't like. We'll see. Okay, so you have your seatbelt style click in, and then you have your side adjustment, and then you have your bolt down, and this is the floor mount to go under your seat. So this is actually a custom bracket for the RZRs, and I believe you have to unbolt the seat to put that in, but we'll double check. Okay, and looks like the driver's side does have the plug-in harness sensor, so you don't have to bypass it. I know a lot of guys don't like having these at all, but it's nice that they include it. One more checklist point for the insurance claim if anything were to happen, I guess. And then you have your center mount bracket. All right, let's take a look at the passenger one. So you have the same installation instructions, same screw bolt kit, and the same seat belt cover. Now, one thing to note is that these are only compatible with the two-seaters. The four-seaters do not have the tabs on the frame to mount to. Only the two-seaters do, which is a bummer because our family rig could definitely use these, but from the factory you can't get them. So, all right, boys and girls, we're gonna go install these. See you later. Oh, ho, ho. All right, let's take a look at the passenger one.